Today we're going to be working on some nonfiction writing. I know, and guess what? It's about you. We're going to be doing some how-to books, okay? So how-to books are nonfiction books that teach people how to do something. They also tell people what they need. Then they teach the steps of how to do something in order.
Nice.
And they have pictures that match the words of each step. Yeah, it's exciting.
He's made a lot of how-to books. He's an expert.
So I know you guys are experts on a lot of things, like brushing your teeth, building with Legos, making cereal in the morning, doing the monkey bars, getting dressed, dancing, buying lunch at school, and drawing pictures.
Yeah, that salad bar, you guys are really good at that.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you the book that I made.
Maybe give him one of those.
What?
Maybe give him a...
Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can keep our friend quiet. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you the book that I made, which is How to Feed My Dog. All right, so this is the book right here. So you're going to need some paper and a pencil. Okay, I titled my book How to Feed My Dog. And then I wrote the 4 things that you're going to need. Food. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to write food. You need a bowl. So I'm going to write bowl. You need some treats. So I'm going to write eat. And then, of course, you need your dog. So I just wrote you need, and then I labeled the 4 things that you need. Food, bowl, treats, and your dog. Okay? And I wrote by Miss Walsh because I'm the author. So the first page at the top, you need a line because you're going to write step. And then you're going to write a number 1. Okay? Because a how-to book teaches people how to do things step by step. And then I'm going to use the special word first because that's the thing that I'm going to do first. So I'm just going to copy that. First, finger space, you, finger space, get, finger space, the, and then I'm going to write food. Food. Period, because my sentence is finished. All right, now I'm going to move on to step 2. So I turn the page. At the top, there's my line. I'm going to write step 2. And I'm going to use my special word then, okay? Then, finger space, you, finger space, pour, finger space, the food, finger space, in, finger space, the bowl, period. All right, so that's step 1 and step 2. But I gotta move on to step 3. Do you notice how my picture is me pouring the food into the bowl?
It's a great picture. Let's get that. It's like your pockets.
All right, then we're gonna go to step 3. So I'm gonna write step 3, and I'm gonna use my special word next. Okay? Next. You, finger space, add, finger space, the treats. And I drew a picture of me adding the treats.
He loves treats.
He does. And we're gonna go on to step 4. So this is the last step. At the top you write step 4, and I'm gonna use my special word last. Okay? Last, comma, your dog eats. Hooray!
Something like that. Touchdown.
Okay,
Nice.
so that's how I did my first how-to book, all right? But good writers always check their work. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take away the things that I need and put them to the side, and I'm gonna ask my cousin Lucien to follow the steps in my book and see if he can do it. If he can follow all the steps in my book, then I've written a really good how-to book. But if he can't, then I need to go back and edit or change the things that I didn't explain clearly, okay? All right, so first I'm gonna move this stuff to the side.
There's his tail and his butt.
All right, you ready?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. How-to book on how to feed my dog. Perfect. I need to feed Beast. I didn't know how to feed Beast. And so now I can do that. I brought my friend along too.
Hi, Dobby.
Helping. Dobby.
Hi, everybody.
All right. So I'm going to need food, bowl, treats, and the dog. Okay. All right. Let me get what I need first. I know where the bowl is. It's over here. Yeah, that looks like his bowl. Treats. Oh, it's ready. Food. Well, I know where we keep food. We keep food here. Pantry. A lot of food. Oh man, I guess I'll just get what I think you might like. Maybe some mini wheats. Some delicious couscous.
Wait, Lucien, wait.
What?
I meant dog food, not people food.
Or cat food?
No, no, no.
Turkey and chicken pate?
No.
Oh.
So, you know what I should add to the cover? Or maybe you can help me. You should write dog food.
Really good idea.
Oh, is that more clear?
That's
And maybe we should also add dog treats.
good idea.
Good job.
Thanks.
All right, awesome. Why don't we try again?
Okay. It's ridiculous.
I should have been more clear with my writing.
Are you okay?
Dobby.
I'm trying to do it again. Don't let bees eat my face.
Okay. Dog food. Well, I have lots of dog food.
There we go.
That's helpful. And definitely have dog treats.
All right.
Now we're cooking gas. All right. Let's see how to do this. Step 1. First, you get the food. Got the food. Got it. Step 2. Then you pour the food in the bowl. Wow, that's a lot of food. Pour in a bowl. I guess I just pour all of it in into the bowl. All of it, right?
Wait, Lucien, wait.
Oh my gosh.
We don't pour all the food.
That could be too much, huh?
Yeah, you only want to pour 2 scoops.
Oh,
That's why we have the scoop.
okay.
So let's change that in our writing.
Okay.
All right.
Change that.
Then you pour the food in the bowl. 2 oops. Good. Period. Perfect. All right, now we're ready.
Okay. One. All right.
Nice job.
Thanks.
What is the next step?
Step 3. Next, you add the treats. It's like the best.
Oh, look at him. He's getting excited.
Mm-hmm. All right. But probably not all the treats.
I would say like 5. Oh, wait. We have to add that to our writing.
Next, you add the treats.
5 treats.
Add 5 treats.
Nice. Perfect. Okay. Let's count with him, everybody.
Got it.
1, 2,
Come on, bees.
3, 4, 5. Perfect. Okay. What's the last step?
Step 4. Last step. Your dog eats.
Oh, so are we going to give it to him?
Okay. Let's see if it worked, guys. What do you think, Dobby?
Yeah, just don't put me in the bowl, please.
Okay, all right. Let's go. Oh, I think it's working. He's going for the treats first, like he usually does.
He's chewing it and he's eating.
One at a time. This is how he eats, folks, every day, actually. One piece at a time. So when you're trying to get out the door in the morning, it's an interesting battle. There you go. He savors his food, which is good. You're supposed to chew your food and wash your hands.
So, Lucien, do you think we had a successful how-to book?
I think this was pretty successful. After we made those small minor corrections, I think we have a pretty complete how-to book on how to feed your dog food and treats.
Awesome.
Not many weeds.
Not people food?
Right. No cat food.
Got it.
Although he would eat it.
He would eat it. Yeah. Look, he's still eating. Good boy. Hey, Lucien, what are we going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we're
Can you go check?
another guided activity.
Yeah.
Oh, I know how I can find out. Keep eating, bud.
Oh. I know what
Whoa!
we're doing.
How did you? What? Where did
Hi,
you?
guys.
I thought you were filming. Okay.
Yeah, we switched places.
That's nuts.
Tomorrow we're going to be doing social studies where we do a sort of things that you need and things that you want.
Oh.
Thank you so much for watching. Please send me pictures of your how-to books. I'm really excited to learn from you guys how to do some new things. I love you and I miss you.
Go make those books. Bye, friends. Brush your teeth.